Hey, welcome to another day in my life as a mom of three. I do have to run errands today. I need to go outside. I decided to try out this face base. I love trying out foundations, skin tints, and the like. This is the Merit, the Uniform Tinted Minerals Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 45. Now, if you're wondering what color I have, I will get to that because I'm going to let you know if I want to change it or not, like if I should do like an exchange at the store. I got this from Sephora and it retails for $38 and I wanted to try it out. I love trying out face bases. So let's go ahead and put this on with no primer. I usually like to use a primer, but I want to know if it's going to cover up these dark spots on my cheek. And I just need sunscreen. I'm going out to get lunch. I later decide I need to buy something for my son, so I go out again. We're going to be outside. I need sunscreen and I need these spots covered up. Let's see how well they do. I'm not going to use primer like I said, but I am going to be using powder and I'm also going to be using a setting spray because I like makeup. So here we go. Let's see if it covers my left cheek. Is it going to cover up that texture I have on my left cheek? No, I don't think so. This is definitely a sunscreen. It doesn't say anything about being a foundation. It does not say anything about being a full coverage foundation. I read the box. This is a mineral sunscreen. It's tinted, so I'm using it like a face base. This color seems to be working pretty good for me. This is color 18. It is a medium warm color. The color is called Caramel if you look for it at Sephora. It doesn't smell like a cosmetic, it smells like sunscreen. So I did smell it. Now you know it smells like sunscreen. And I think we're up to like 4 pumps now. I mean, I'm a makeup woman. I like to wear makeup, so I'm trying to get that like medium coverage, full coverage effect. So I ditched the brush. I'm trying it with my hands. I want to build it up. I want to build up the color as much as possible using as many pumps as I feel comfortable. So that's why earlier I was using a brush. Now I'm using my hands. I'm just trying to see how thick can I get it because I do like a full coverage, but I also like to try everything and see what's going on. You put on sunscreen, don't forget to get your neck. The point of sunscreen is to protect your skin. Go ahead and drag the color of that face base all the way down your neck. I gotta find a different word than drag because drag is not what you want to do with your skin, but be sure to apply the sunscreen on your neck. Although I'm wearing this for the purpose of using tinted SPF today, I am going to use a powder and a setting spray. We're getting somewhere. We finally applied the base to everywhere on our face, on our neck. This is how we're looking up close with no other product. By itself, this would look really good at the beach, at the swimming pool, I think. But you know me, I'm gonna try out some powders. I think I'm telling you that here. Let's skip to what I have to say here. We are gonna run out, so I will be outside. I'm wearing this for the purpose of using tinted SPF today. I am gonna use a powder and a setting spray. This is how the product is looking outside in the sunshine in Los Angeles. I don't care if it's the summer or the winter, the sun will be shining. There will be a little bit of heat. So it was really hard to see in the sun. Maybe in the shade, you could see a little better. So I tried a close-up there while I waited for my order. It's looking pretty good. This is about 2 hours after application. Everywhere in LA takes like 45 minutes to get to at least. So I had to drive and get these tacos for the family. It's still the same day. I changed my shirt like a while ago. I changed my shirt a while ago because I was wearing, like, my entire outfit was just a little bit too tight. Like, I'm wearing my aloe leggings right now, and I just, like, my entire outfit was too tight. So I put on this other tee. I had to run out to get scissors for my son, and he has to, like, cut stuff. But he needs, like, kid safety scissors, so I had to go buy him some safety scissors over at Staples. Hello, we are home. It is 9:30. Earlier this evening, I changed into a concert tee for comfort. It looks like skin, but it's definitely on the matte side. Like, I feel so matte. I didn't get oily at all, and I did so much today. I was in and out of the car. It just looks like skin. My face looks so matte. Honestly, there's no product on my fingers. My face just looks extremely matte. In general, this is a matte product. Like, usually a mineral sunscreen will feel matte to the touch. Like, I guess to the touch it will feel a little bit of the chalky feeling. This is about 7 to 8 hours of wear totally. So after initial application, I ended up running like errand after errand. I went like about 6 different places. I ended up with my son this afternoon, and then we did dinner and bedtime. So I've been with all my kids. They've all been touching my face. What do you guys think? How do you think that this looks? I think it's true to the claim of light coverage. Thank you guys for watching. Check out my other face base wear tests on my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.